Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2013 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Stock number B9081XB. Only 40,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, true blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. There's Town & Country seats 7. Leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout. Stone Ghost seating underneath, allowing the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights, rear heat and air control, and DVD player with wireless remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Town & Country is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back, and have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This Touring has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 40,000 miles. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. 6.5-inch touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. Bluetooth Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And there's where the rear DVD player controls are. And of course that backup camera display. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Slide out cup holder storage and power outlets below. Large removable center console with even more storage space, along with dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, liftgate sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so with the quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9081XB to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.